Welcome to our tutorial on building fast and scalable web applications with Go. In today's digital landscape, speed and efficiency are crucial for a positive user experience. Slow and unresponsive web applications can lead to high bounce rates, lost revenue, and a damaged reputation. In this video, we'll explore how Go can help you build web applications that are both fast and scalable. By leveraging Go's concurrency features and performance capabilities, you can create web applications that meet the demands of modern users. Building on our previous discussion about the importance of speed, let's explore the common issues that can lead to slow web application performance. Inefficient database queries, poor caching strategies, and inadequate use of concurrency are just a few of the hidden bottlenecks that can hinder your application's efficiency. By understanding and addressing these issues, you can significantly improve the performance and scalability of your web application. This is particularly important in today's fast-paced digital landscape, where users expect seamless and responsive interactions. Now that we've explored common performance bottlenecks, let's dive into building web applications with Go. The Net HTTP package provides a robust foundation for handling HTTP requests and responses. Additionally, frameworks like Gorilla and Revel offer powerful tools for structuring and organizing your Go code. By leveraging these tools, you can create fast, scalable, and efficient web applications that meet the demands of modern users. Now that we've explored the fundamentals of building web applications with Go, let's put this knowledge into practice with a live coding demonstration. We'll start by setting up a new Go project and defining a simple route to handle HTTP requests. As you can see, we're using the Net HTTP package to create an HTTP server and define a handler function to respond to requests. This is a basic example, but it demonstrates the core concepts of building a web application with Go. Now that we've seen a simple web application in action, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when building web applications with Go. One critical pitfall is neglecting error handling, which can lead to unexpected crashes and poor user experience. Additionally, misusing goroutines can cause performance issues and deadlocks. It's also essential to implement proper security measures, such as input validation and secure password storage, to protect your application from vulnerabilities. Now that we've covered common mistakes, let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. We've learned how to build fast and scalable web applications using Go, and how to avoid common pitfalls. By applying these best practices, you can significantly improve the performance and reliability of your web applications. Take a moment to review what you've learned and think about how you can apply these concepts to your own projects. What challenges have you faced in building web applications, and how do you think Go can help you overcome them? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below.